Kampala, Uganda. Exploring how people live there today and identifying key areas where investment can make a significant impact. 1. Lifestyle in Kampala today. A. Urban and cultural hub. Diverse population. Kampala is Uganda's largest city and its economic, cultural, and political center. The city boasts a diverse population with a mix of various ethnic groups, contributing to a rich cultural tapestry. Neighborhoods. Areas like Kololo and Nakasero are known for their upscale residences, embassies, and commercial centers, while neighborhoods like Kawempe and Makindi are more densely populated with a mix of residential and informal settlements. B. Economy and employment. Economic activities. Kampala is the heart of Uganda's economy, hosting numerous businesses, from small enterprises to large corporations. Key sectors include manufacturing, services, finance, and trade. Entrepreneurship. The city has a burgeoning entrepreneurial scene, particularly in tech startups and creative industries. Initiatives like the Kampala Innovation Hub support local entrepreneurs. C. Infrastructure and transportation. Transport systems. Kampala's infrastructure faces challenges, including traffic congestion and limited public transportation options. Matatus, minibuses, and bodabodas, motorcycle taxis, are common modes of transport. Roads and connectivity. Efforts are being made to improve road networks and connectivity, but ongoing maintenance and expansion are needed to keep up with the growing population. D. Social life and recreation. Cafes and restaurants. Kampala offers a vibrant social scene with numerous cafes, restaurants, and bars catering to diverse tastes. Arts and culture. The city is a cultural hotspot with theaters, galleries, music venues, and annual events like the Nyega Festival, celebrating Ugandan music and arts. Education and healthcare. Kampala hosts some of Uganda's top educational institutions and healthcare facilities, attracting students and patients from across the country. 2. Challenges and opportunities for investment. A. Affordable housing. Growing population. Kampala's population is rapidly increasing, leading to a high demand for affordable housing. Investment in residential projects can help alleviate housing shortages and improve living conditions. Urban planning. Sustainable urban planning is essential to ensure that new developments are well integrated and accessible. B. Renewable energy and utilities. Energy access. While Uganda has made strides in expanding electricity access, many areas in Kampala still experience unreliable power supply. Investments in renewable energy sources like solar and wind can enhance energy stability. Water and sanitation. Improving access to clean water and sanitation facilities is crucial. Projects focused on sustainable water management and wastewater treatment can significantly impact public health. Basirsi. Transportation and infrastructure. Kiyatirter, public transport systems. Developing efficient public transportation systems such as bus rapid transit, BRT, or light rail can reduce traffic congestion and improve mobility. Road infrastructure. Investing in road construction and maintenance will support economic activities and ease daily commutes. D. Technology and innovation. Tech hubs and startups. Supporting technology hubs and startups can drive innovation and create jobs. Investments in digital infrastructure, such as high-speed internet, are vital for the growth of the tech sector. E-government services. Enhancing digital government services can improve efficiency and accessibility for citizens. Healthcare services. Healthcare facilities. Expanding and modernizing healthcare facilities will address gaps in healthcare delivery. Investments in medical equipment, training, and infrastructure are needed to meet the growing demand. Public health initiatives. Supporting public health programs focused on preventive care and disease. Management can improve overall health outcomes. F. Education and skills development. Educational institutions. Investing in schools, colleges, and vocational training centers can equip the youth with the skills needed for the job market. Scholarships and training programs. Providing scholarships and specialized training programs can help bridge the skills gap in various industries. G. Waste management and environmental sustainability. Waste collection and recycling. Effective waste management systems, including recycling programs, can address environmental pollution and promote sustainability. Green spaces. Developing parks and green spaces enhances the quality of life and provides recreational areas for residents. H. Agriculture and food security. Urban agriculture. Promoting urban farming initiatives can enhance food security and provide employment opportunities. Agri-tech solutions. Investing in agricultural technology can improve productivity and sustainability in the sector. Conclusion. Kampala is a city of immense potential, with a vibrant population and a growing economy. While it faces challenges typical of rapidly expanding urban centers, there are numerous opportunities for investment that can drive sustainable development and improve the quality of life for its residents. Focusing on areas such as affordable housing, renewable energy, transportation, technology, healthcare, education, and environmental sustainability can yield significant social and economic benefits, making Kampala an attractive destination for both local and international investors. If you have specific aspects you'd like to explore further, or need more detailed information on any of these points, feel free to ask me your favorite city and let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.